Today's video, we're actually going to be talking about the best business credit cards that are better than business loans. Now, for some of you guys that may have challenging credit but are generating revenue in your business, there are some lenders out there that can help you, okay, regardless of your credit. They focus mainly on the business. So one of those lenders is Nearside Business Loans. Another one is People Trust Business Loans, excuse me. You have Rapid Finance Business Loans, as well as One Park. Now, I've made videos on these here business lenders and stuff that gives you a breakdown of what it is that you need as a business owner to qualify for these loans. But it has nothing to do with your personal credit, okay? So that way you're safe. All you have to do is focus on is my business profitable, is what they're looking at. Showing that your business profitable and your taxes updated and you having current revenue coming into the business. That's what these lenders are focused on. Now, that being said, for those of you that may have established credit 680 or above, these are the credit cards that are better than business loans. And there's a reason they're better than a business loan, because these here do not charge any interest, okay, for a certain time period. So you have U.S. Bank. Now, I made a video recently about U.S. Bank on the personal side where they have fraudulent activity. But I'm going to tell you, as a business owner, with U.S. Bank, they definitely are a very good financial institution to deal with. Okay, the reason is because once you're with U.S. Bank, they do automatic credit line increases for your business credit cards and stuff like that. Now, one of the U.S. Bank business credit cards is your Business Platinum card. Okay, and I would encourage people to go out there because you have 20 months of no interest on purchases or balance transfers. Okay, so with a business loans, once you take out the business loan, you automatically start paying interest. But with the U.S. Bank Business Platinum, you have 20 months. With the U.S. Bank Business Triple Cash, they give you 15 months. Okay, and then that's the reason they say this is better than a business loan, because you're not paying any interest. So that's what you actually want to go after. Now, I have some other credit cards that I want to share with you. You have the First Flight Credit Union. Okay, they're on the they're over on the East Coast. For some of you that may not have heard of them, First Flight Credit Union, I think they're almost better than Navy Federal, okay? And the reason is because of the flexibility. Now, the unfortunate thing about with credit unions, when it comes to business credit cards, other than the major credit unions like Navy Federal, the thing about it with the smaller credit unions, what they want you to do, you have to have a business within their vicinity, within their region or whatever, in order to get their business credit card. However, there is a back door, okay, because with First Flight Credit Union, they have a business credit card, 18 months, no interest, right? So that means that you can actually max out the credit card. Okay, so you can actually max out the credit card and it won't affect your personal credit. Now, here's the thing about it with First Flight Credit Union business credit card. They issue that card through Elan Financial. Okay, now Elan Financial is an associate of U.S. Bank. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Now, with U.S. Bank, most of the time, so that you can understand, with U.S. Bank, they pull your FICO 9 TransUnion. Sometimes they may pull an Experian file, but most of the time they pull your FICO 9 TransUnion, okay? And again, there's plenty of cards out there that pull FICO 9, like First National Bank. They do a FICO 9, but they don't have that zero interest for 15 months or longer. So that's the reason I'm not trying to present that card to you as well, okay? But if they were, I definitely have it on the list. Now, another card is the Public Service Credit Union. I think it's Public Service Public Service. There you go, people. For those of you that like to hear the rooster, There you go. But the good thing about it, getting back to the public service credit union, because they are all over, you want to look for the public service credit union now. I think it's public service. I'll put the link so that way you know exactly which one. But they have a credit card for 18 months, a business credit card for no interest for 18 months as well. Okay. If I would have started earlier, guys, you could have heard the hens laying eggs and stuff, and I think that's interesting to me, you know, because being from the South and stuff, and hearing roosters and listening to hens lay eggs and stuff like that, it's, for me, it's fascinating. But I know some of you guys like Houston focus, please. All right, so sorry about that. But just so you know, I am from the South, Arkansas to be exact. But that being said, Public Service Credit Union, they have a business credit card, 18 months, no interest. Okay, even on balance transfers. This is what I'm talking about, finding credit unions that you can work with that have long-term, no interest credit cards are better than business loans, okay, because you still can max them out. Now, Public Service Credit Union credit card, business credit card, it is issued through Elon Financial as well. Okay, so those are the top credit cards that I would encourage you all to look at. I think Citibank may have one. Now with Citibank, they either pull Experian or Equifax, but it's a FICO 8. Now Elon Financial, they use FICO 8 as well. So just so that you know, so when you go to the website, either First Flight or Public Service, if you're trying to get one of those cards and stuff, just so you know, understand they use Elon Financial. Elon Financial pulls Experian FICO 8. Okay, so that's something that's very important. If you guys don't really know the difference between your FICO 8 and FICO 9 credit scores, and you're trying to take advantage of it, and I would tell you, click the link below and get your real credit score and schedule a one-on-one consultation, and we can discuss your credit file. Now there's one other thing that I want to share with you, and it's a strategy. I had a client, she did not have good credit. Okay, she did not have good credit, but her spouse had great credit, but she had the business for over 10 years. So what I suggested that she do, because her spouse had good credit, add him on and allow him to apply for business credit cards and stuff like that. That's another way for you guys to get funding. If you don't have good credit, but you have a spouse or somebody else that's working within the business and stuff like that, that's definitely an option. In order to, you would have to file an amendment with the Secretary of State and to add them onto the company as a treasurer or a secretary and stuff like that. But once they're added on, they have the ability to apply for business credit cards and business loans for you as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. Click the link in the description and schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.